Hey Barry, so this is your website. Looking at it, you don't have a ton of content. You got some, but you only got 449 words. Google loves content. The more content you have, the better. So I'd try to add some more content to your website. Next thing, um, let's see if I can find an image to save right there. So let's see what you have it saved as. You don't want that saved like that. You'd want it saved with a keyword. It's just an opportunity to have another keyword on your website. So you'd want it saved like Wichita roofing or roof repair Wichita. Just to give you an extra keyword, it's an opportunity to have more keywords on your website. As well as you can have keywords in your content. You don't want to keyword stuff though, so you don't want to. You want to have keywords. You don't want to overuse keywords in your content. But going to roof repair Wichita in Google. Here's Google or ads. You have to be certified to get these ones. These are supposed to be a little less spammy. And then you got the original ads right here. I don't see any right now, but then you got the GMB, and then you got organic ranking. Taking this guy. Let's see what his website looks like. This is what it looks like. He doesn't have too much content either. He only has 380 words. So you know, the more content you have, the better. You'd probably want to have at least 1,000. But you can go up, you can go up as high as you want. There isn't really a limit on the amount of content you can have. Let's see what this guy's images are saved as. Metal roofing SM. Not sure what SM is supposed to stand for. I don't know if that's a keyword he wants to rank for. Roof repair SM. Not positive why he has that SM there. Yeah, he doesn't know what he's saving he's missing that opportunity too, so he's not saving his keywords, his images correctly. Let's go to Eros Tassian. Looks like you're actually getting backlinks. They might be a little bit spammy because you got DR of 0.06. You want to make sure you get backlinks that are relevant to your industry, as well as higher, not spammy. You want to get high UR and high DR backlinks, as well as we can see what your organic keywords are and your traffic is. It looks like you get quite a bit of traffic. Let's find out what that's coming from. So you get the majority of your traffic from Gutter Guard. I don't know if you want to be ranking for that. You'd probably want to be ranking for like service, like maybe Gutter Guard installation Wichita or Gutter Guard Wichita, because you want it to be buyer intent. And I guess if you do travel all over the country, you wouldn't have to necessarily have location wise, but you want it to be buyer intent. You might be selling a lot of Gutter Guard, so you might actually want to be ranking for this. You're on page 2. There's a ton of volume for it, and you get 137 people a month going to your website just on that keyword. But guttering Wichita, Kansas, there's one that you'd probably want to rank for. You get 100 volume, 3 KD, pretty easy to rank for, or super easy to rank for. Lower KD, the easier it is to rank for. This is actually a really hard keyword to rank for, and you're doing all right for that one. I mean, obviously you'd want to be on the first page when you're for keywords, but considering the KD, you're not doing too bad for that one. But then again, I don't know if you actually want to be ranking for that one. But here you're mostly on the second page for stuff, and then you got third. It doesn't look like you're on the first page for anything with any of your keywords. Let's go check out your competition. So this guy, he doesn't have as many backlinks. He's got a higher DR. UR is not as high, but his DR score is higher. He's got more referring domains. So you also want to have more referring domains than the other guy. So you can come in here and see what backlinks he has. Not all are created equal. You want to make sure they're relevant to your industry, as well as they're not spammy low numbers. But you can come in here and see what ones he's got. See if you find one that you like. Looks like most of these are no follows. I'm trying to find a do follow one. Let's see this one right here. It's got 77 and 11. I can come see what it is. See if you like it. And see how to get it then if you do like it. Looks like this is just a directory. So you sign up and you're able to put down, it looks like bathroom remodeling. You put it down, then he does that, and then he got a link back to his website from that. But you can come in here and find all the ones you want, go to other competitors, grab all their backlinks as well, and just kind of copycat their backlinks. And then you can go out and get your own. Ways you can do that is you can get guest posts, blogs, blog commenting, news articles. Basically, there's several other ways you can get them, and have them linked back to you. You want to make sure again that they're not spammy and that they're relevant to your industry. Let's see what this guy is ranking for. Obviously, his first, it's the one he gets the most traffic from, is Roof Repair, Wichita, Kansas. 80 volume, 12 KD, so it's not too bad to rank for. And he gets 29 people a month with that. And that's a buyer intent as well as location-wise keywords. Those are the keywords that we like to go for. Wichita Roofing Company, 150 people search that a month, 18 KD. So it's going to be harder to rank for that, but it's not 18 is not terrible. It's just going to take longer. Roof Repair, Wichita, Kansas, 80 volume. That's the same one. It's back there. He's actually ranked for it twice. He's ranking number 1 and number 2 spot for that one. So he gets 41 people a month. So he gets over half the traffic a month just on that keyword alone. But then there's roofing contractors, Wichita, Kansas, and roofing companies, Wichita, Kansas. Both of them 100, 8 KD, pretty easy to rank for. Siding contractors, Wichita, Kansas, 70 and 0. So that one's really easy to rank for. But you can just come in here and find all the ones that you like, all the ones that are really nice, high volume, lower KD, and put them on your website. You can go after the higher KD ones too, especially if it's a higher volume. It's just going to take you longer, whereas these lower KD ones, you're going to be able to rank for them a lot faster. And if they got really good volume, I would definitely suggest going after them. And then you can go after the other ones once you are ranking for the lower KD ones. You can come check out all this guy's, everyone that he has, and go after those. Next thing would be the GMB. If you don't have one, set one up. I'm imagining you have one. My citation thing to find citations doesn't work, so I'll just be going over the basics with it. But you want to make sure you set up 100%. Then you want to add as many photos as you can. The more photos, the better. You want to make sure that you have keywords with them as well. And then citations is the next thing. Citations are just directories, so you'd want to go out and get as many of those as you can. Directories, like Yellow Pages, Yelp, BBB. There's a whole bunch of other ones out there. There's thousands of them. Some are you have to pay for, a lot are free. You can get them. It's just time consuming, but it's something you can definitely do. Hopefully that helps. If you want, we can set up a phone call or video call and talk more. If not, thanks for watching and have a good rest of your day.